Welcome back to Tin or Share 4DD channel. If Microsoft Word freezes or shows not responding, it can be stressful. Today, we'll show 5 practical ways to fix Word and even repair corrupted files using 4DD file repair. Word not responding happens when the program freezes while editing or opening files. Even if some functions work, you can't interact with it. Knowing this helps us save work before repairing. Common causes include large or corrupted Word files, add-in conflicts, insufficient memory, outdated Office/Windows, hardware acceleration, or antivirus interference. Even if Word seems frozen, press Ctrl+S, Command+S on Mac. Wait a minute to let it process. If prompted, use Save As to a new location. Word has AutoRecover. Open Word, check the document recovery pane, select your file, save a new copy. If missing, go File, then Info, then Manage Document, then Recover Unsaved Documents. If Word files are corrupted, 4DD file repair is ideal. It's AI-powered, works on Windows/Mac, fixes doc/docx files, batch repair supported, and keeps original saves. After repair, preview the files side by side. All repairs are tracked in repair history, and now 4DD file repair has a 3-day free trial. If you're not sure whether it's worth trying to your Word issues, click the link in the description to test it for free. Open Word, then File, then Options, then Add-ins, then COM add-ins, then Go. Uncheck all add-ins, then OK, then restart Word. Go File, then Options, then Advanced, then Display, then check Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration, then restart Word. Update Word, File, then Account, then Update Options, then Update Now, then restart Word. So, today we tackled the Microsoft Word not responding problem, and we explored 6 practical ways to fix it. Method 1, save with a shortcut to avoid losing progress. Method 2, use AutoRecover to restore unsaved documents. Method 3, 4DD file repair which safely fixes corrupted Word files and supports batch recovery. Method 4, disable add-ins that may conflict. Method 5, turn off hardware graphics acceleration. Method 6, update Word to the latest version. Remember, 4DD file repair currently has a 3-day free trial. If you're wondering whether it's worth trying, click the link in the description to experience it for yourself. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which method worked best for you? Or do you have other tricks to fix this issue? Leave a comment below and share your experience.